Let's go back to the beginning. Let's begin at the very start. Welcome to Stories TV, the channel where hidden truths come alive. Welcome to my channel. Now, imagine a world without chocolate, coffee, apples, or almonds. Hard to picture, right? Well, without bees, that nightmare could become reality. Bees are tiny, buzzing architects of life. Yet they've sparked scientific debates, ancient myths, even modern controversies. Today, we dive into the secret world of bees. Their history, their untold role in shaping our planet, the mysteries scientists still don't fully understand, and the reason why their survival may decide our own. So buckle up. This is not just a story about bees. This is a story about life itself. Now let's buzz back to the present. In the US alone, managed honeybee colonies have dropped from 6 million in the 1940s to just 2.7 million today. And in some parts of the world, bee populations have fallen by more than 50% in the last decade. Why? Well, researchers are investigating if it's a combination of things: pesticides, weather extremes, less diverse plants, parasites like the varroa mite, or maybe even those mysterious electromagnetic waves we send out. But whatever the cause, when bees fall, we fall. Without bees, we'd lose 1/3 of the food we eat, including most fruits, vegetables, and nuts. And that's just for starters. Bees pollinate plants as they collect nectar, transferring pollen grains that help new plants grow. About 75% of the crops we depend on rely on this free service. Imagine a world without apples, almonds, blueberries, cherries, squash, cucumbers, onions, watermelon, cranberries, coffee, chocolate, or fragrant herbs and spices. It's a bleak thought, but it's not just about empty plates. It's about imbalance in nature. Plants need bees to bear fruit, trees to produce nuts, and bees need plants and trees to survive. We're all connected in this intricate dance of life. But what's really going on inside a beehive? Picture a busy city. There's a central authority, the queen, who lays eggs to keep the population thriving. Under her, a workforce of female workers, so named because they do all the work. They forage for food, care for the young, and defend the hive. Males called drones exist to mate with the queen, ensuring the continuation of the colony. Life inside a hive is a constant hum of activity, regulated by an internal clock that controls everything from foraging to temperature. For these tireless workers, it's an around-the-clock job. And how do they communicate this bustling metropolis? Through a secret language called the waggle dance. By moving and wiggling in specific ways, bees tell their sisters where to find the best flowers and how far away they are. It's like a GPS system built into their DNA. But wait, there's more. Recent studies suggest that bees can recognize human faces. No, they don't hold grudges. They just remember us. So next time you approach a hive, don't be surprised if the bees seem to know your name. Or maybe they're just keeping an eye on the new guy in town. After all, they have a reputation to uphold. Now let's talk about a mystery that has puzzled scientists for years. Why do bees build their hives the way they do? What's the secret behind those hexagons found in honeycomb? Researchers believe these unique shapes allow bees to store the maximum amount of honey in the smallest space possible. Plus, they help maintain a stable temperature inside the hive, which is crucial for raising baby bees. But there's a lot we still don't know about bees, and that's part of what makes them so fascinating. From ancient Egypt to the modern day, bees have captured our imagination and played a vital role in our history. The ancient Egyptians kept bees and used their honey, while the Mayans believed bees were sacred messengers from the gods. Even today, bees are a source of wonder and inspiration. Maybe it's their industrious spirit, their fascinating dances, or the golden nectar they create. Whatever the reason, bees have earned their place in our stories and in our world. And now it's your turn to take a stand. Support local beekeepers, plant bee-friendly flowers, spread the word about colony collapse disorder, and push for policies that protect these buzzing wonders. Because when we protect bees, we're protecting ourselves. So let's give them a helping hand and ensure that bees continue to buzz in our skies for generations to come. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the secret world of bees. If you're as passionate about uncovering nature's mysteries as I am, don't forget to subscribe. Together, let's keep exploring the stories that shape our world.